Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, that's Dog Analyst. This particular video is on ticker symbol XELA, which is for XELA, for Exela Technologies, and we have been making money on this particular one. So I have been making back-to-back videos on XELA, and this is the one we have been making so many swing trades and making profit. So I'm just thinking making another video again. So in this particular video, I will talk about some of the recent news, the earning dates, the earning expectation, short interest, at the same time the volume and option chain activity, and also the technical analysis showing the support, resistance, and the overall trend. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my community. I have a YouTube community which you can join only for $5 per month, and you will get daily trade ideas, because I post a lot of things only for the members with support, resistance, trade ideas, pre-market during the day, so many trade ideas for different ticker symbol with support, resistance when you get in and out. And today PTBT was a day, like it made our day a lot. So anyway, so if you want, you can always try. So XELA had a day 1% down, nothing, because it has been going a lot, so sometimes it needs to take a break to cool off. It makes sense, right? So it was down only by 1.6%, and after hours it is nothing, right? So again, staying over this $3 mark. You can see that for the last 5 days, you can see it started from 2.4, came all the way to 3.54, and now is staying over 3. So definitely a good sign, because it is consolidating over a price which is over $3. So some of the news I want to share. So today is August 5th, and the news came this morning that today they announced the launch of Exela HR Solutions, a robust human resource outstanding service available in India and the United States, as organizations attempt to reinforce their HR operations following disruptions caused by COVID-19. The launch of Exela's HR solution will empower enterprise and SMBs to strengthen and so on. So anyway, so this is a good news, right? A positive PR. So this is one. The other one also came today, August 5th. You can see that they expand their digital mailroom offering to SMBs in France and Germany. Two good news came today. I don't know why the price was down or it was stable, but that's a good news. Anyway, that's a good news. Now, one thing I want to focus, that they are going to report their financial earning on August 10th, and it will be at 11 a.m. I will be broadcasting the event live from my channel. So if you're subscribed, make sure your all notification is turned on, so whenever I go live you will see. But this is on August 10th, 11 o'clock. And why people are so excited about the earning, if you do not know, that on July 27th, so there was a PR that they reports strong SMB user growth with over 2x new sign up. So what is DMR? So if you go to their website, you will see they have many products, and let me see if I have it open here. Let me see. Okay, so I'm going to their original website just to show you these names. So they have many different products, but see the sign, dry sign, digital mailroom, and print shop. These are the new products, the featured one, right? So what it is saying, that DMR and dry sign delivered growth of 99% and 144% in their respective customer bases. So what happened? So they delivered a record addition of new number in the second quarter of 2021. DMR and DrySign continued to grow in the preceding 90 days, with DMR delivering a growth rate of 99% in its SMB customer base and DrySign delivering a growth rate of 144%. So all of these are happening in the second quarter of 2021, and that is why people are expecting a good revenue number for second quarter of 2021. So there could be a run up in anticipation of the earning. Also, if the earning is really great, after the earning it can also run a lot, and this thing loves to run a lot, trust me. So I will talk about the price action. Definitely I'm gonna touch, and you can see the blue line. This is the line I'm following, which is upward, even though it goes up and down, but as long it is making higher lows, it means it is in the right track and it is going upward. I will come back to the chart and I will talk about the support, resistance, and everything. But before that, Fintel, I did not get any data from Fintel because I'm not subscribed, but I went to Reddit and I found one post. It says that the short interest ratio is 36%, which is really high, right? 36%. I also found that every day almost more than 50% shares are shorted. As an example, yesterday 37 million shares were traded and 19.6 million was short volume. So 52% was the short volume. So you can see the amount of shorting is really high, 48, 34, 35, 47. So there are a lot of short interest. People are shorting. So if there is a good earning or anything and the price jumps, these shorts needs to cover and you will see a big spike. And previously we have seen the spike and most probably it is coming again. Looking at the chart, look at the daily chart here. So you see all the yellow line, these are the big volume. Whenever there is a big volume, a big spike in price. It comes down again, big volume, big spike in price. No volume, came down again, big volume, went up, less volume, came down, and again volume is coming. So if the volume is continuing for next couple of days, I think this thing will go and retest the previous high again. And looking at today's volume, even though it was down by 1%, look at the average volume. The average volume is 110 million and today's volume was only 21, let's say 22 million. So almost like 5 times less volume, but even the price was like down only by 1%. Really a good sign. Even at less volume, the price is stable, which is really good. Looking at the option chain activity, I'm very excited because when I look the August 20th expiry date, the call option, which is after 15 days and after the earning, there are 15,000, more than 15,000 call options there is still open. It means that they're thinking that by August 20th, XELA will go to $5. So they are betting big on this. So this is telling me something that people are expecting a lot. If I look at September 17th call option, still you can see for $5 strike price, there are more than 5,000 call options that is still waiting. And also there are like 40 strike price. So you see, these are the numbers are big. Now let's go back to the chart and what the chart is telling. So first of all, looking at the chart, I told you that this is a 1 hour chart. You can see it has been going up on an overall trend. But looking at the RSI came down and moving sideways. It might continue a little bit down and I'm okay because we made a lot of money, and in my community I have been telling people to wait for a pullback. So $3 is something we want to get in, or 2.6 is another point. So let's see what's happening here, right? So these are the squeeze I told previously. From 3.5 you can see it went to 5.4. Excellent, right? So it came down and again it is going up. But the good thing I want to mention here, that last time when it was around 2.6, I was telling over and over again that XELA is consolidating and this is a good time to buy, because 2.6 you can see it was a previous support, then 2.6 was held as a support for a long time, so it was a good accumulation, and then after 2.6 it went all the way to 3.5, and again 3.5 was important resistance because it was rejected after our at 3.5. so we know after the market opened it will come down, so we sold and we locked our profit. Now see what is happening here. On a 1 hour chart you can see it is staying over $3 range. So the good thing is, if you think as a stair, this is one stair of 2.6, some kind of consolidation. Now it is consolidating around $3 area. If it can maintain 3, I think it will go another leg up and we will see 3.5, maybe the next step of going upward. So if you want to start a position, think about $3. Also be prepared to average down around 2.8 and also 2.6. This is one other thing. Now let's look at some other areas. So I'm gonna see some lines here if they make sense. So looking at the chart, I think this is one area around 3.8. The other area I would say around 3.2. Then we have 3 and then we have 2.6. Maybe you can also consider 2.8. These are some of the areas, but if this thing starts going up, I think once it goes over 3.2, the next resistance will be around 3.5, then 3.8 and so on. But this thing can move a lot. Also, if you have noticed the pattern, how it works, each morning when the market opens, it goes high, then it comes down during the day. Again, it goes high, comes down during the day. Same thing here, you see it goes high, it went to 3.5, then came down. So this is one pattern. So if you're holding, if you're in profit, make sure to lock your profit at the beginning of the day, and it comes down, it always gives you a deep buying opportunity. You can always buy at a lower support, then you ride the wave. This is a good one. We have been making money and I don't complain. And just one last thing I want to draw, because I'm a technical guy, I just love to draw lines. Maybe this is not making at all, but if you think that this is a triangle, then we are closing at the very end of the tape, right? So hopefully it will go up from here, because there is earning, and also the earning is supposed to be good, to my opinion. Anyway, we will see, because I always think earning is a gamble. It can go either way. But just looking at the option chain, people are betting for these to go to again $4 and $5. They have good PR today, and also people are excited. Like if you go to Reddit, if you go to any social media, people are talking about XELA. This is the next GME, this is the next AMC. So many hype, so more emotion, more peoples, and that will bring more volume, and that will help XELA to skyrocket again. So anyway, I'm very excited, and I just wanted to make a video because many of you in my community, you were asking, should you get into XELA? And I think $3 and 2.6, 2.8, these are nice entry point, because XELA will run again. Make sure you know when you are getting in, and make sure when you need to get out. So anyway, if you are a community member, definitely you will know it. So if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also give a try by joining the community and make some money. $5 a month, I bet you will make more than $5 in 1 month. So thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.